am doing something I've never done on a stream before, and that is I'm going to walk you through how to install a Banov map on a DayZ server, on a local DayZ server hosted on my PC. So I've got my monitor shared with you, and I've got Steam pulled up, and I don't know how this is going to go. It could go great. It could go bad. I need to check one thing real quick on my other monitor. Um, okay, nothing important there. Um, so anytime you are installing a map or installing something on a PC DayZ server, you got to start with Steam. Um, so I went into the DayZ, the workshop, and searched DayZ Banov, and it says subscribe. You may be asking, why did I pick DayZ? Why did I pick Banov? Well, I love new maps. I've spent a lot of time recently on the um, Deer Isle map, and the Deer Isle map is huge. And according to the I Survive, Banov looks to be the same size. So it'll be real fun to live stream and explore. So I've read through this before jumping on. Um, and it says there was some other mod that it said this map utilizes assets from the Central European Asset Pack, and then it gives a link. Um, so I'm not sure if that means that I need to subscribe to the Central European Asset Pack, but I'm going to do that anyway. Um, so I subscribe there. I actually want to go back to Banov, and let me read these other tabs. Discussions, something about DayZ update 1.19, some comments. Um, some change notes. January 29th, it says that there's a bunker and that there was an update that allows us to complete that solo, which is great. Mm, we keep updated mission files via our GitHub. Click me. Notice you're leaving. I'm going to keep you in on this. But it just said you are leaving Steam, continue to external site. So code, get code, download zip. This is my DayZ folder on my local PC, and I'm going to go ahead and create a folder called Banov. And then I am going to copy the zip file and extract all. Going to tell it to extract it all into my Banov folder. Now it's over 100 megabytes. I'm going to go ahead and get Steam going, or DayZ going, so it will download. So while that's copying over, I'm going to go ahead and search for the Banov updated map, and then click this down arrow. You can right click and open the folder in Windows Explorer. It tells you do not change, add, remove any of these files. You have to click you understand, and then it takes you to the folder on your PC where the mod is. Now, before I do that, I want to go into this extracted zip folder, and I want to open the README. Can I add my own locations on the map? Yes. Can I repop Banov? F, no. Can I edit scripts objects that are linked to the map? No. Can I sell VIP slots? Um, what is the suggested player count? 60/120. Can I add new types to the existing vanilla setup? Yes. Did you just copy paste Summer's README file for Nelmos Customer and then just adjust it to fit Bannock like a pleasant peasant? Yes. Are you at least grateful to Sumrak? Yes. So they're trying to add some humor in there, and that's fine. Next, so what we want to do is I want to pull up my DayZ server folder. So I'm going to pull up my DayZ server folder here. And then where's that Banov main folder? Nope, not Banov. I'm sorry. Where my mods are. So what you want to do here, you want to point to Banov, you want to right click, you want to copy, and then you want to go into your DayZ server folder, your local server. I'm assuming you already have one, and you want to paste that. You're also going to want to do that with the other mod we downloaded, which I don't remember the name of it. GitHub. Central European Asset Pack. So there's Banov, and then I'm going to copy the Central European Asset Pack, and I'm going to paste that into my DayZ folder, my DayZ server folder. Couple of things. Next up, you want to do your keys. So this is from my DayZ workshop. This is my DayZ server folder. There is one keys folder. So I'm going to open that. And then I'm going to go into Central European Asset Pack, keys. I'm going to copy this key and I'm going to paste it. Then I'm going to go back into that folder and I'm going to go to the Banov folder. I'm going to go into the keys. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. Okay. And I want to take a look at the add-ons folder. Okay. I'm going to also look at the European Asset Pack add-ons. Yep, they're a bunch of PBO and buy sign files. All right. So next up, since I'm gonna go to where I downloaded Banov. You want to take a look at these folders. And there is an empty.banov file. And so I'm going to, this is from the zip file that I downloaded. Go DayZ server. And then you want to go into your MP missions folder. And you're going to see a bunch of any of the other maps that you've downloaded will be here. And so I am going to copy, make sure, yep, that is what I want. All right, so now my Banov folder is there. Next, we have to work on the config folder or config.dz server DZ file for um, and basically what I do is I take one of my existing folders and I copy it. So I am going to take one from my Chinaris or my server.dz. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it. And then I rename it server DZ. Now I'm going to say Banov. So server DZ Banov. Then I'm going to edit it. I use Notepad++. And it looks something like this. Um, so I want to rename it to Bear Wars Banov local. I'm just going to call it local. I'm not going to do the version number anymore. Password to connect to the server. Yeah. And then down here, where it says your template is the current one is DayZ Offline Chinaris Plus. You want to change that to empty.banov, but you want to make sure that you're not making a spelling error. So the best way to do that is to go into your server folder, go into MP missions. We're going to highlight Banov like that. Then we click on it, copy it, then go back into your .cfg file and just paste it in. Now it says empty.banov. And now we can close that and repeat the procedure using your .bat file. So I used my start Chinaris with Zomberry. So I'm going to copy that, going to paste that, and I'm going to rename that. I'm going to rename it start to start Banov with Zomberry because I like using Zomberry admin tools. Um, so edit with Notepad++, and I'm going to name it Banov local. Very important. In your bat file, you're going to want to change your, you need to, you point it to the .config file. So you want to make sure that you name that properly. So it is server DZ Banov.cfg. Batch, batch, batch. And then down in these, I call it the mod line. So I'm going to do a semicolon. And then I want to go to my, where'd it go here? I'm going to load the Central European Asset Pack first. And then semicolon. Banov. And that should be it. So we'll close that and save changes. Let's find out. So start Banov with Zomberry. This is going to be the longest part of the video and the most boring part, and there's not much I can do about it. So when you launch your local server, at least when I've done mine, it comes up with this screen, but then it will launch a second window. Then the second window pops up down here. In this window, you can see, once it says reading mission, then I go to my DayZ and I go to servers and I hit LAN and I do the refresh button. It says Bear Wars Banov Local. So the server is running. So I'm going to hit join and then set up the DLCS and mods and join. So I'm going to try it. And we're still waiting. Oh, wait a minute. DayZ crashed. So that's not good. DayZ is not running anymore. So we'll try again. Okay. Didn't get this far the last time, so we'll try it again. And Now it comes up and actually loads the actual game screen. Ooh, cool loading screen. Whenever I'm loading for the first time, running a local server, I do keep an eye on this. Sometimes you can spot a an error, or it'll tell you, like here's an item that's hard to place, a fishing rod, um, and causing search overtime, waterproof bag orange. If I see a lot of those, I start to dig in. Okay, you were kicked off the game. Login error, login timeout. Wait. Uh, okay. Mm, Oh, okay. So it's a different looking screen. I was looking for this stuff over here. I'm just going to tell it to play again and see. You were kicked off the game. Data verification client is missing a mod which is on the server. The server sets a mod list. Ah, I forgot. On my Dear Isle server, I have the Snafu Weapons mod. So I will go here. Actually, I'm going to close that right out. Probably will cause a crash. I'm going to have to stop my local server. And DayZ server. I'm going to go without the mods. So this is my start Banov. It doesn't call for, so I'm going to go mods. Yep, at Community Frameworks on Mary. Let's say unload all just to start fresh. Start the server again. Okay, reading mission, servers, LAN. Banov Central. If you're new to DayZ, here's starter base idea number 3, the warehouse. Start at this door and build a gate. When you come inside. Oh, sorry, I was listening to some shorts that just posted, and someone made a comment the audio sounded weird. Sorry for the silence. I'm just waiting for this to load. Oh, look at that. Time to check my admin tools. Yep. Now I don't think the map will work. It certainly does work, actually. So my admin tools are working. And yep, my VPP admin tools are working. And now I can explore a new map. So that is all, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make it a great day. We'll be streaming some Banov exploration stuff later. Have a great day.